Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this coconut fried rice. So I'll go ahead to boil my meat for this recipe. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, you can use whatever protein that you desire, but here I'm going to use beef for this recipe. So I went ahead to add my seasoning powders, Maggi cubes, my curry, my thyme, and everything to make this beef so saucy, and went ahead to add my salt and water to boil. Add enough water because you're going to need this for the food. Then you leave. I'll go ahead to blend my coconut. Blend till it's very smooth. I'm just going to blend it till I get that smooth texture. So after blending, I'm going to sieve. If you have a sieving pan, a sieving cloth, anything you can use to sieve the coconut to bring out the juice out of it. So here I went ahead to take the beef out from the water because it's already cooked. Like I said, this stock is going to be used to parboil your rice, so keep it aside. Make sure you keep it aside. So this is the coconut juice mixed with the meat stock. You pour inside a pot and cover to boil for some time. Next, I went ahead to add my thoroughly washed rice, stir together and cover to cook. Next, I went ahead to fry my vegetables. Here I'm adding my oil. Then I fried my beef. Yes, I love to fry my beef a lot. I love it when it's fried. And then I went ahead to remove them from the oil. So after removing from the oil, I began to fry my vegetables. I have my green pepper, my carrot, my green pea, and everything. My onions. I love to fry a lot. So I fried this for some time, for some minutes. I continue stirring. You have to stir so that it will not burn. I stirred for as long as I see it's already melting down. Then I added some curry powder and some thyme and a little salt. Don't forget your meat stock has salt already, so be careful with your salt. So after allowing to cook for some time, I went ahead to pour my canned green pea and my sweet corn. I went ahead to pour everything and I stirred it together. I stirred until cooked. Just keep stirring everything together until well cooked. You may be wondering, why am I stirring this? Yes, you have to stir thoroughly until they are cooked. Then I added a little salt to taste. So right here I went ahead to start frying my rice. So this, you are going to do it portion by portion, so the rice can be thoroughly fried portion by portion. So I went ahead to do this for so many times until the rice was done. So here is the outcome.